Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simi's Diary. Cats are mysterious. They live with us, sleep near us, watch us silently. Yet we often say, I don't understand my cat. But what if I told you? Your cat is talking to you all the time. Today, let's open a very special page of Simi's Diary and learn how to understand your cat's secret language. Cats don't speak with words. They speak with eyes, tails, ears, body movements, and soft little sounds. Once you understand these signals, your relationship with your cat will change forever. When your cat looks at you and slowly blinks, this is a cat kiss. It means, I trust you. I feel safe with you. Try blinking slowly back. Your cat will understand. Wide eyes usually mean excitement, fear, or strong curiosity. Context matters. A playful cat and a scared cat can look similar, but their body tells the truth. A cat's tail is like a mood meter. Tail straight up, happy and confident. Tail gently moving, focused or curious. Tail whipping fast, annoyed, give space. Puffed up tail, fear or shock. Never ignore the tail. It always tells the truth. Ears forward, interested and relaxed. Ears sideways, unsure or uncomfortable. Ears flat backward, angry or scared. When ears go flat, respect your cat's space. It's their way of saying, please stop. Here's something amazing. Adult cats rarely meow at other cats. They meow only for humans. Different meows mean short meow, hello. Long meow, attention please. Repeated meows, urgent need. Soft meow, affection. Your cat has learned your language, just like you're learning theirs. Showing the belly. This does not always mean touch me. It means, I trust you. Touch only if your cat enjoys it. Rubbing against you. This is love. Your cat is marking you as family. Yes, you belong to your cat. Cats sleep too. A save energy. A feel safe. A stay healthy. If your cat sleeps near you, it means you are their safe place. Cats feel emotions deeply. They remember a kindness, a tone of voice, a how you make them feel. They may not always show affection loudly, but their love is quiet and loyal. Your cat has always been speaking to you. You just needed to listen differently. Understanding your cat's language is not about control. It's about respect, patience, and love. This was today's story from Simi's Diary. If this helped you understand your cat better, like the video, share it with another cat lover, and subscribe for more pet diary stories. Until next time, listen to the silence. Your cat is speaking.